So here's a quick guide to adjusting the headlamp aim on an early shape Leaf. I've already prepared the car by switching it on so I don't flatten the battery and turning the headlights on. I've got the headlights lined up here against a fence, as it turns out in this instance, but it's very straightforward. I use a ratcheting 8mm spanner, but of course any 8mm spanner or socket will do the job nicely. The adjusters are just in here on the back of the motors. There's one, and there's an equivalent one the other side, and it's literally just a case of putting the spanner onto the adjuster bolt, and then as you turn the spanner you'll see the beam moving. You can take it up or down to suit your needs. These ones were set very nicely before, so I'm just going to take this back down again when I've adjusted the spanner to go the other way. There we go. So with this one, sorry, the tool slipped off. There we go. With this one, I'm just going to make sure the two beams are nice and level, and we're good.